y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Asia Renee. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are doing a full get ready with me. You're gonna see what I did from head to toe to get this look here. I am going out for girls night, so if you're interested in seeing this look, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching. Alright, so today I'm supposed to be going out with my friends. We're going to what's this place called? Nomo Soho. Originally I had made a reservation for RH Rooftop because RH Rooftop is mad cute. Like, I've just been seeing people post it, and like it's very like aesthetic-y. The food looked like pretty basic like American food. So like I wasn't really crazy about that, but I had to change the reservation because some people had some scheduling conflicts. So I changed the reservation to Nomo Soho, right? But I didn't know that Nomo Soho was mainly known for brunch. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope their dinner is gonna be good, because I looked at their dinner menu and it does look good, but I don't know. I feel like if you go to a restaurant, you should go to like what they're known for, but whatever. Hopefully the dinner is just as good, and we're probably gonna do something after the dinner. I'm not really sure what exactly at this point, but I bought this I bought this eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store, and like it's way too dark, but usually once I put the concealer on and stuff like that, it looks like okay, but like I didn't want it to be this black. I'm low-key taking a break from lashes, so I was gonna get my lashes done because I'm going on a trip this month. So I'm super excited about that, and I was thinking about getting my lashes done for that, but I don't know, like after a while, yo, like I'm talking about individual lashes, not strips. After a while, like I feel like individuals like really irritate my eye, and like I don't know, it's just like doing them back to back to back. One, like I said, they irritate my eye, and two, like getting my lashes done is expensive, and I feel like this year in 2023 I'm really trying to be intentional about where I spend my money. So I'm probably only gonna get my lashes done for like special occasions, like for example Valentine's Day is coming up. I usually would get it done for a vacation, but probably not for this one, probably the next one, or like my birthday, like probably times like that. But I don't know, like I just feel like I needed a little break. Plus, like most people say like it damages their natural eyelashes. Like I think my eyelashes are okay, but like I feel like once you wear lashes so much, you stop, like you the way you look without I just realized I didn't have my other light on this whole time. I was looking like, why is it so dark? I feel like once you wear lashes so much, like you don't even know, like you don't even get used to like how your face looks without the lashes. So I was like, I really need to like take a break. And oh, my eyebrows look good so far, or at least what I can see from here, they look good. Yeah, so I just want to get used to like my natural face again, because like when I first had them off, I was like, I look like I'm 12, like I look like a little kid. And you know, I just want to always embrace, you know, my natural beauty as well. And I don't want to get too reliant on something, because then like you got to keep doing it, and I'm gonna be thinking like I'm ugly without it. I feel like I'm so boring when it comes to eyeshadow. I don't know if I want to try something different. Like I don't know, I'm trying to think about what I want to do. But I actually ordered some strip lashes that I got off of my friend's Amazon storefront. So I'm really excited because she's a makeup artist, and she said that they look really bomb. So it's supposed to be coming it's supposed to be coming in by like 3:30. It's 2:48 though, so I feel like by the time I'm done with my face, like it'll be that time anyway. So I feel like I'll be okay. This brush has color on it. Who is he? put that palette down, and then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe X James Charles palette. Eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I think I'm gonna use Pat McGrath. Now, somebody told me that my Pat McGrath is not supposed to be like this liquidy. Can y'all tell me if y'all like Pat McGrath is like as liquidy as mine? Like, cause the girl said it's not supposed to be this liquid. And I was like, what? Do you mean it's not supposed to be this liquidy?
I'm coming back for good, so let the niggas know it's mine. Already got someone, that's what you tell them every time. Ain't on for grabs, where you at on the map? I come to where you at, running it up your ass, I won't hold back. Hope you still feel the same way. Don't say the same to me, it never changed. Oh yeah, I said it was great, so fine. Can we do it like old times? Oh, now so fly. Oh, why didn't you? Help me get my together, think it through. A nigga just been sitting here and I know what to do.
Is it just me, where like every time I put on like concealer and blush, like it just looks so weird? Like I feel like now I have to start doing either or. Like I can't do both. I don't know why.
Fall in love again, oh no. All the niggas, you're mine. I'm so different. You so
So yeah, I was gonna wait till Amazon got here, like I mentioned, to finish my face. But tell me why the package went from being delivered at 3:30 to now it's talking about some still being delivered before 10 p.m. So you can see glitter. My eyes got There was this girl, I forgot what, I don't remember what her name is, but she said she applied both her lighter, like she applies a lighter bake and then she puts the setting powder over her bake. Like usually I don't put, like she puts her darker setting powder over her bake, like her lighting setting powder, and I've never done that before, so I thought that was really interesting, so I might try it today. Okay, I think she said she puts the setting powder over it. So Amazon really had like one job, and that was to deliver my stuff the next day before 3 p.m. Oh gosh, we're so spoiled. Remember when we didn't even have the option to do that? And now I'm complaining. But anyway, I'm gonna have to find an alternative lash to put on. So I'm about to do that. And I'm gonna come back to y'all. All these lashes I have. You might ask me like, Asia, why don't you just wear the lashes that are in your collection? That's because out of all of these lashes that I purchased, like, I wasn't buying lashes that actually look good on my eye. So all of these lashes look so ugly on me. Like, these look hideous on me. I don't even want to pull these out. I'm looking at something that might be promising, but honestly, I wouldn't even bet on it. Why is the Amazon man here right after I put on one lash and my powder? He here at $3.50. It's 20 minutes late. I'm like, should I just put these on? Because these are cute too. Damn it. I ran out there. He was gone. And there were no packages for me. But you know what? That's okay, because I'm happy with these lashes. I know y'all are gonna be like, what the hell? But I'm gonna wipe off the eyebrow pencil with a makeup brush, and I'm gonna use it as a lip liner because I want a little bit of a darker lip liner. And it gets it all done. So. I'm not really doing anything to my hair. I'm just gonna comb out the curls. Ooh, she's. Who's that? I'm gonna take it away from my eye for now, but okay. Me likey. Okay. What do y'all think? I think it's cute. I wanted a really like dark look. Like I want it to be like really dark. So I'm gonna switch to the other side of my room so that y'all could see me put on the clothes. But this is the face. I love my hair. I love my hair. I love this length. I think it's so like sophisticated. But anyway, let's go over there and let's get dressed. It's 4 o'clock. I gotta leave here about like 5:30, so we got some time, but we still gotta speed up. Okay, so this top, this is not the top that I'm wearing, it's just going underneath. This top is from AliExpress, and I'm only wearing it because the top that I'm gonna have over it is see-through. So, and then these pants are from Zara. It is a little bit cold, so I'm putting on this see-through shirt that I got from Shein. I'm not sure about the vendor though, so yeah, but this is from Shein. Okay, so this is my outfit so far, and I'm gonna also show y'all lengthwise as well so that y'all can see it. But I think it's really cute and sexy for a cute dinner day. I would have worn, like, I almost considered wearing the black top by itself, but I was like, I don't know, that was giving, that's a little too sexy. You know, I was like, I think I'm gonna give a little bit more cover that today because it's a little bit cold. So this is what we are working with so far, and I'm gonna go get I'm gonna get my accessories first. So I have these accessories. These are from Amazon. This is my Quartz watch, and then the earrings and the necklace I'm gonna put on are from Itika. Lastly, I'm gonna put on these boots from Simi. I love these boots. They hurt, but I love them so much. So I'm gonna wear them today. So I shouldn't be walking that much. Okay, and lastly, for my perfume, I'm going to spray YSL Libre Intense. If you watch my perfume vid, I told y'all this is really good for nights out. So I'm gonna spray this all over, and this bad boy not going anywhere, period. Thank y'all so much for watching this full get ready with me. It was a bit unconventional, so if you got to this point, thank you so much. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.